Hey Troy, just wanted to show you what I've got here for that top starter. I put a spine on this so that you have the ability to adjust it a little bit. How that works is there's these two pieces. There's a piece of tape on this piece and then the tape on the nosing, and then those are just glued together with some CA glue. So when you're ready to take this off, like once the glue has set on this, you just push down on this and it'll break away, and then you just pull the tape off. But these adjustment screws right here, they're on each end, here and here. If you screw them in, it'll help. Like I say, if you screw them in, it'll help flex the ends in. If this is your floor at the top of the stairs, I think I have it pretty well set, to where that'll be straight. But if anything, it errs a little bit to putting a bit of a bend here in the middle, because I know there'll be a little, moisture loss in this wood as it goes down in elevation of St. George. So anyway, if you tape the ends here, cut both sides to your liking of how it's going to fit, template each side. So you cut these on the right angle, and then as you're getting it in position, you want to first pay attention to the edges. Make sure that seam is as tight as you can get it, and where you like it. And then if there's a little bit of opening here in the middle, that's okay. Just tape these sides down with maybe a couple pieces of tape to hold that seam in, and then you can pull this middle screw out. That's right here. That would be the last screw to pull out, and that will allow you to just bring this seam in, because that tensioning, the middle will want to, move inward like that. So if you got a little bit of a gap here, like I say, that's okay. Take these sides down, pull that screw out, and this will move inward. And then, like I say, this one piece here, the spine piece, you just push down on that when the glue's set up, or if you have this all locked in and taped, and you feel good about how solid the back is behind this, you can go ahead and break it off then too. So anyway, hope that makes sense. If you have questions on it or anything, just give me a call.